What's up? I am Kylie and welcome to my channel.
So this is what I call living the life. This is me and that's my husband.
So this is a video that has been requested for a while now. Friends, family, few random strangers have been wanting to know what our cabin looks like, what is it like to work on a cruise ship, all those things. And so here's like a little cabin tour. Where are we gonna start? The door. So basically the door has a little calendar, a little schedule telling us when we can and cannot eat in guest areas. Here's our schedule, sort of our kitchen area and storage area. With the cabin being so tiny, you kind of have to make do with what you got. So I bought shoes not so long ago and the shoe box has now become storage. We got ourselves some protein bars, meal replacements. The meal replacements are mostly for me because eating gluten-free is kind of tough on the ship. And then these boxes are things that we ordered for more food, mostly for me.
So what's in the fridge, you ask? Absolutely nothing important.
So currently it's this beer. That's the only thing in the fridge. Jesse bought that beer weeks ago and he's most probably not going to drink it because the fridge actually doesn't work. Another funny thing about the fridge, reason why it still doesn't work and why we don't have a new one, is because they cost $150. And we're not here long enough to go $150. Cool, well, let's rent a fridge. So the boxes work fine. They really do. This is the desk. We have a handy little phone. All my little sticky notes covering all the numbers that we actually need in case of whatever. It's literally the number for everybody on the ship. Guest services, blah 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 blah. Then the table's kind of my table. We've never spoken about it, but I usually use the table. I draw and all my blogging and vlogging stuff I usually do at the table, and Jesse takes the bed. Speaking of the bed,
it's tiny.
We usually share the bed. I say usually. And Jesse will sleep on this side. And as you can imagine, Jesse's shoulders are a little bit wider than mine. So this space over here kind of is mine. I usually sleep on my side because I'll fall off the bed. Because of this sleeping dilemma, Jesse sometimes sleeps up there. When Jesse is not sleeping on the bed, his guitar is so special. It gets to lie on the bed. And this is our bag with all of our musical equipment in it, which usually goes on the chair. So with it being a tiny cabin, the most important thing is obviously storage. We've got this cute little table that houses our TV, which came with the cabin. Our TV is a rack for hats, as you can tell. I have seriously bad hay fever. And we have more drawers down here, which is just shoes. So I've got my shoes, Jesse has his shoes, and then that's where we've hidden my bag. Over here, we've got our cupboards, which are fantastic because they hold our clothing. Even though our cabin is smaller than our last contract, our cupboard space and our storage space is just a little bit more. So there's that. even though there isn't enough room to put mattresses on the floor, which was what we did in our last contract. Now we can't, because no space. Ta-da! Jesse's cupboard's very organized, so I will show you his instead of mine, because mine is not as OCD clean as his. Up here is a beautiful shelf for the whatnots, things that you need and don't need. Obviously hanging space. Down here we usually take up to hide little things. There's a tiny little drawer down here, and then over here this is sort of like your packing space, and Jesse doesn't take up a lot of space, so I kind of do, and I've put my cajon in his cupboard. So the cajon and the sign that I'm now not allowed to use anymore is in there, and then of course the cupboards are the same. My cupboard and his cupboard look exactly the same, so it's just like two of each. We have these cute little mirrors. I like to stick things. Everything is magnetic. The walls are all magnetic. Here's another full-size mirror. So this is the bathroom. And it is tiny. This is our shower, and it is just big enough to house me. I know that Jesse takes, woo! Oh my. Good thing this thing is waterproof. Well, we both shower with the curtains open because it clings to your bum. The bathroom comes with a cupboard. Super organized, as you can tell. Base to hang towels. Great. And everything required for a bathroom. I hope you enjoyed my little cabin tour. As you can see, it's a tiny little space, but it's a little space that we get to call home while we're away from home. And I try to keep it as clean and tidy as possible because it's so small. Little organizers and things like that are very well needed. I like to make pretty with little lights, and up top there we've got a little happy birthday banner, and I've got another banner over there that doesn't say anything on it, but I was too lazy to take that off and I kind of like it. But yeah, if you guys want more videos or have any questions about current situation, feel free to comment. Like and subscribe, and there'll be more travel videos coming your way.